welcome back to Cooking Confidently. I know I've been a little MIA the past couple months, but I am back and better than ever. So with me coming back, I figured why not kind of do something different, and this is something that I've been looking into. So what I'm going to be doing in these next videos is it's all about cooking for your chakras. So a lot of people, when they think of kind of fueling their chakras, they have to do with like yoga, different yoga positions, or different gemstones or stuff like that. But what people don't realize is you can actually eat to improve your chakras. So the first chakra I'm going to start with is your base chakra or your root chakra. So this chakra is all about feeling positive, having positive self-esteem, feeling grounded, and feeling like you belong where you are. So with that, kind of the color and theme that goes with the root chakra is the color red. So the main components of my meal are going to be red. Red meat, red onion, red pepper, sriracha, salt, and then also along with the color red, it also mushrooms go well and root vegetables. So I have my mushrooms and I have some ginger root. Now, of course, it's gonna take more than just my red foods to make this recipe. Just know that if you wanna feed your root chakra, red colors, root vegetables, and mushrooms are really good. So today what I'm going to be making is a spicy beef and pepper stew. So as always, let's just go ahead and dive right in. Now, getting started, we are going to go ahead and start on our meat. So the first thing you're going to want to do is season your meat. So I'm going to take my 1 tablespoon ginger root, and I'm just going to kind of put it on there, pat it in. And now I'm going to take my 1/4 salt and 1/4 pepper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and also sprinkle that on. I'm gonna take 2 garlic cloves, and just like I did with the ginger root, sprinkle that on, and I'm gonna pack it in. And it's really important, you're gonna wanna do this on both sides. Now, once we have our meat seasoned up all nicely, I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit for 15 minutes to really soak in those flavors. While my meat is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and take 1 cup of light coconut milk. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, half a teaspoon of lime zest, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and to top it off, I'm gonna put my remaining salt and pepper. Now all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and whisk this all together. There we have that nice reddish color that is going to amp up our root chakra. I'm going to take my 1 pound of meat that has been marinating for 15 minutes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into thin strips. In our stew, we are gonna take 1 red pepper. I'm gonna do the same thing for the red onion. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my mushrooms. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of my avocado oil. I'm going to put this on my hot pan, followed by my steak. Now I'm gonna wanna cook this on medium heat for about 3 minutes per side. And I didn't mention I am using top sirloin as the steak. So in case you wanna follow my recipe directly, that's what I'm using. Now that it has been 3 minutes and you can see that it's starting to turn brown, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. It has been another 3 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take my steak off, and I'm going to finish cooking it once we cook the vegetables and let it simmer in the stew sauce. Now to make sure I keep those nice flavors, I'm gonna go ahead and add my mushrooms, jalapenos, my red onion, and my red pepper. I'm gonna finish it off with the last clove of garlic. Now I'm gonna wanna let this cook down for about 4 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk mixture and spinach into it. Grab a couple handfuls. Spinach shrinks down a lot, so this looks like a lot, but it won't be. My spinach has cooked down. I'm gonna go ahead and add my beef back in. And now, like I said, we are gonna finish cooking our beef in our vegetable mixture. Go ahead and let this all cook together for another 5 to 7 minutes. For final touch, I'm going to sprinkle cilantro and green onion on top.